Well, hello and welcome to another video of this series. So this is going to be a very short video. We'll just handle this text view. So statistics, when we click on this text view, we want to open a bottom sheet and we'll display total spending and total credit that has happened into our account till this date. So yeah, let's get on with that. So open the budget DAO. First of all, we'll create two functions to get total credit and total spendings. So first function is fun get total credit, and this will return live data of type float. And let's write a query select sum of amount from budget where credit or debit equals to credit. There we go, and this will return the total credit. And same way we can write another function to get total spending, and this will also return live data of type float. And let's write a query for that. Query query select sum of amount from budget where credit or debit equals to debit. That's it. We can close the budget DAO and open the budget repository. Now in the budget repository, we just need to create two functions to handle this too. So this will be suspend function. So actually we don't need to create suspend functions because it's directly giving us the live data, so we're directly serving that live data through the UI using the live data variable in the view model. So this will be normal function. So fun get total credit equals to budget DAO dot get total credit, fun get total spending budget DAO dot get total spending. That's it. Now open the budget view model class. Let's close this one, and in here we'll create two variables of type live data. So first one is total credit of type live data of type float equals to budget repository dot get total credit. Same way, well, total spending of type live data of type float equals to budget repository dot get total spending. Now we need to create we are displaying a bottom sheet on click listener of the reports on the text view of this reports fragment. So let's first handle the on click listener. So binding dot text view statistics dot set on click listener and here we'll be handling the bottom sheet fragment. So let's create another file for the bottom sheet. So this will be another Kotlin file or class, and we'll name it statistics bottom sheet fragment. And we need to annotate this as at Android entry point, and this class will inherit from bottom sheet dialog fragment. And before I forget, let's go back to reports fragment, and we need to create a variable of that class, instance of that class. So while Bottomsheet equals to statistics Bottomsheet fragment, and Bottomsheet dot show requires activity dot support fragment manager, and support fragment manager, and we need to pass a tag. So I'm just gonna write Bottomsheet, and we can close this now because we don't really need that. And inside this class now we'll have two functions and two variables. So let's create those two variables. One is binding variable, so private let init var binding of type statistics Bottomsheet binding, then private val budget view model of type budget view model by view models. There we go. And now we have to we need to override two functions. So one is on create view, that it is, and we need to return inflator dot inflate r dot layout. We need to import r, so r dot layout dot statistics Bottomsheet container and false. Now let me just make some more room. Now override another function which is on view created, and after super method we need to write binding equals to statistics Bottomsheet binding dot bind, and we can pass this view here, and that's it. Now we can use this budget view model variable that we have created. So budget view model dot total credit dot observe view lifecycle owner, and we have binding dot total credit dot text equals to 8.toString. The same way budget view model dot total spending dot observe view lifecycle owner. Now this is a bit different than the credit because we are saving negative values in the database, so we don't want to display negative values. So we'll write budget dot total spending dot text equals to we'll multiply the value by -1 dot into 8 dot toString. Yeah, that's it. Now we can run the application. Okay, so the application is run. Now go to C reports and click on this text view. It should open up the Bottomsheet layout, and as we can see total spending is £1,010. As we can see we have -1,000 and -10, and we don't have any credit, so it is giving us null. So let's try to add credits. So select any date, we'll select credit, we'll enter 55 whatever salary, something like that, and submit the entry. Now we can go back to C reports, show statistics, and as we can see the total credit is now £550. So this is how you can deal with the Bottomsheet layout. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos ahead, and press the bell notification so you get the notification whenever I post a new video. So that's it for this video. I see you guys in the next video.